It's a blast from the past that hasn't lost its charm in 2018. Molded fiberglass trailers that were all the craze in the 60s and 70s took over Long Beach Conservation Area this weekend in Wainfleet. Many enthusiasts told Kelly Botello today that the small campers are perfect for simple living.
Just like one of the most famous songs of its era, the Boler camper is staying alive and thriving at that.
They're little treasures. It's like an antique car.
But it wasn't just Bolers. Different makes and models of molded fiberglass campers descended on Long Beach Conservation Area for Bolerama, a weekend to camp like it's the 70s.
You can just tuck yourself away in a corner and have a nice time at the beach.
Oh, it's very convenient, yes. It's easy to store and easy to haul.
Surprisingly, it's the camper's miniature size that is the most appealing to its owners. Most have a sitting area that can transform into bunk beds, a table that can become a double bed, and a stovetop and fridge. But there's little room for much else.
Square feet? Put it this way, it's cozy.
But because it's small, it can be hauled by small cars and they can easily fit into a garage for storage. Those who love these campers say its convenience is only parallel to its charm.
Oh, everybody has themes, so ours is a surf shack.
Many owners decorating their campers with a theme. The surf shack, the bee, and the glamorous camper were just a few that stood out today. Some have turned it into a hobby.
Spruced it up. Yes. Yeah. It had seen better days, many better days. And we dragged it home, and Rob went to work on it. He's very creative.
There's no doubt that you'll be getting some serious retro vibes here with the bowlers and the music, but not all of these campers are 20 or 30 years old. Some of them are brand new.
But we took it to the 21st century.
There's a new manufacturer of fiberglass campers that are taking the Boler's design and giving it a more modern twist.
We wanted to hit the young, fun market.